Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming the device is truly activation locked. You should see an Apple ID prompt on the setup screen. Once done, locate proof of ownership, original receipt, packaging, or the EMA and serial. If you bought it used, contact the seller immediately and ask them to remove the phone from their iCloud account. This is the fastest legal route. Make sure you record the seller's Apple ID email when they tell you they've removed the device. If the original owner can act, have them sign into iCloud. Open Find iPhone, select the device and choose Remove from Account, then power cycle the phone. If you legitimately own the Apple ID used, sign in and erase the device from iCloud to clear activation lock. If neither option works, gather your proof of purchase, the device serial/EMA, and contact Apple support or book an appointment at an Apple store. When you visit an Apple store or authorized service provider, bring the phone, original receipt, a photo ID matching the purchase, and the serial/EMA. Explain that you need activation lock removed. Technicians will verify ownership and can either remove the lock or guide next steps. If the device is managed by MDM, you must contact the organization's IT administrator to release it. If staff cannot help immediately, ask for a written reason and follow Apple support escalation.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.